Episode 13, Pot Roast. Start by rough chopping 4 medium-sized onions. And then, reassemble your potatoes. And now, the fun part of peeling every single one. And chop them into big old chunks. Now it's time to grab your meat. Just heat some oil in a pot, and then we're going to sear it and brown on all sides. Once browned, remove from heat and add 3 minced cloves of garlic. Cook them in the juices for about a minute. Then toss in your onions. And now a secret ingredient. I have some leftover rendered fat from the last time I cooked some steak. I try to keep some in the freezer for a quick flavor boost. This is an optional step, but, extra flavor, why would you say no? Once the onions cook for a few minutes, add in some red cooking wine, because I don't have any regular wine. Now, add back your meat. Coat with some of the Shire. Season with salt, black pepper, thyme, and herbes de Provence, and then hit it with a container of beef broth. Toss in some baby carrots and all of your cut potatoes. Level it out with more beef broth. Cover and place in a 350-degree oven for 3 to 4 hours. Checking in at the 2-hour mark, give it a mix. Check the potatoes, the meat, see where you are. And then jump ahead 2 hours later, we're ready. But first, let's do the meat tenderness check. Yep, checks out. And we're ready for a hearty meal that may not be the prettiest boy on the block, but hot damn, it's a classic and delicious. And it'll help out in any cold day of the winter. You could serve it with some crescent rolls that I didn't make, or eat it by itself. It gets the job done either way. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next week.